Alright, don't know how well you can hear me, but today is February 18th, I think it is. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. You can see we got a couple inches of snow last night. It's light and fluffy. So I got my leaf blower out. I mean, that's just one way of cleaning the panels, you know. Safe, easy. See, I got my walkways down the middle. It's just something to think about when you set it up. You know, you gotta have a ground on certain things and everything. You know, here's power coming across into the conduit, so it's a little safer. You know, but I put a walkway down that one. This one I didn't do it very wide, but I can still walk down it. Think about moving these panels up. But it works good for in the winter. Like that. Say it ain't gonna come off, big deal. In a little bit, it'll heat up and it'll blow it off. But see, your walkway, I wish I had it wider, but I always blow that too. Because you're walking down it, the ice before just made it a pain. So. See, you got some on here yet, and it's still flying around, you can see it. Big deal. You can try and scrape it. And I'm sure somebody will say, oh, you ruin your panels that way. Whatever. It's glass. So, I wish I could tell you. So, I mean, like yesterday, I think we only made a couple of kilowatts. But today, it looks like it's going to be a nice sunny day. So, you can see all the cars and everything. Just Michigan and north of Grand Rapids. So, just one way of cleaning your panels, or you can use a broom. Just today, it happened to be light, fluffy snow, so that's why I said I'd use this. So, but I always clean this area because I'm right next to the edge, so I got no ice, you know. And I just blew some snow out the house. You know, just get some weight off it, but we don't really need it in Michigan, so. Alright, that's one way of cleaning panels. You know, just use a broom. I always tie on another handle, tape it on, make it about 2 foot longer, because when you're pushing, you just can't reach the end of them. Or unless you bend way over, and that's kind of dangerous, so it's better to add 2 foot. Or use a blower. But see, I blow my walkways.